Welcome, space friends. Today's episode is about how to turn the future of humanity into an advanced civilization starting in 2020. I understand that people are fighting for their rights when a certain organization expects the population to behave in a certain way, like your parents telling you what's right or wrong. This video is a possible solution that will create a good future instead of a short-term results. The protesters or rioters, for example, has a lot of potential that can change the world because of their increasing numbers, but instead they use their energies on trivial things. Here's my solution. Instead of rioting and protesting, humans should put all their destructive or idle energy into creative energies. First step is to calm the destructive energy by taking some herbs and meditate. This will calm the rage within the humans. Creating renewable energies like windmills, underwater turbines, sky mills, solar panels, etc. will pave new ways of creative ideas of creating energy instead of draining Earth from its resources until there's nothing left. That would have been very possible if those millions of protesters or rioters were putting all their energies and money into it instead of waiting for the next innovation from some private companies. Next is cleaning up the ocean and recycling. At the rate of the garbage being thrown in the ocean, the water will contain toxic chemicals and tiny fragments of plastic that can harm you. It'd be nice to send your trash to the sun, but that would be extremely expensive, so biodegradable products must be the norm. These ocean cleaners are doing a great job at cleaning the ocean. However, trash are created every few seconds faster than they can clean it, so everyone needs to have the same mindset. An example would be voting. Some thinks that their vote doesn't count because it's only one, but at a larger scale with the same kind of mindset, a lot of non-voters would have made a big difference. Last but not least, creating clean energy factories on low-income areas so there's no need to outsource from other countries like India or China, which causes massive pollution and in turn provides more jobs within the country, lowering the state of unemployment. Also, by outsourcing from China, it furthers their expansion of their evil island that will turn into a massive fortress, creating and conquering every island and destroying the reefs. Those protesters could have invented their own space center and traveled to Mars and protest about the dust storms or the acid rain on Venus and protest about Mercury being too close to the sun. When humans are united, then their civilization would have a better future, thus furthering their space exploration and colonization. The humans living on other planets will eventually turn into alien-like beings since their environment is the key factor in evolution. So those green UFO could have possibly been humans from Earth but transformed completely from their green planet they're living in. And once the solar system is occupied, planetary nation will claim independence and start to conquer other planets, thus resulting in space wars. I went off topic there, but in conclusion, human needs to be united in order for a better future. Well, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Until next time, space friends!